Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zelle with Capital One checking account step by step clearly. To use Zelle with your Capital One checking account, start by opening the Capital One mobile app on your smartphone. If you haven't already, sign in to your Capital One account using your username and password. Once logged in, look for the Payments section in the app's menu. Tap on Send Money with Zelle. You may need to agree to the terms and conditions for using Zelle. Next, you will be prompted to link your mobile number or email address to your Zelle account. Follow the instructions to verify your phone number or email. Once verified, you can add the recipients you want to send money to. To add a recipient, enter their email address or phone number in the designated field. You can also choose a recipient from your contact list if you have their information saved. After selecting or entering a recipient, input the amount you wish to send. In the next step, you can add a note or message to specify the purpose of the payment. Review the details of your transaction, ensuring everything is accurate. When ready, click on Send to complete your transaction. You will receive a confirmation once the payment has been successfully sent. If you want to request money, navigate back to the Zelle section. Select Request Money and follow similar steps to choose a recipient. Enter the amount you wish to request and add a note if necessary. After reviewing the request, press Request to send it. You can track your transactions in the Activity section of the app. Zelle payments typically arrive within minutes, depending on the recipient's bank. If you encounter any issues, visit the Capital One support page for assistance. With these steps, you can easily send and receive money using Zelle with your Capital One checking account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.